But quick question for you. Have you ever spent hours, maybe even days, editing a video you were genuinely proud of, hit publish, and then watch the view count just sit there, 3 views, 5 views, maybe 10. Here's the truth nobody tells you. It's not your content, it's not your editing, it's not even your title. It's the one thing most creators completely ignore: your thumbnail. That tiny image is the only thing standing between someone scrolling past your video and someone clicking play. So today I'm handing you a complete beginner-friendly system to create scroll-stopping thumbnails using 3 completely free AI tools. No Photoshop, no design experience, and stick around till the end because tool number 3 is the one that actually builds the thumbnail for you, and most creators don't even know it exists. Here's something most people don't realize. Over 500 hours of video get uploaded to YouTube every single minute. That means your video isn't just competing with a few channels, it's competing with an ocean of content. And when someone's scrolling through their feed, you don't get a paragraph to convince them. You don't even get a full sentence. You get less than 1 second. In that 1 second, the brain isn't reading. It's reacting. It's asking one simple question: is this worth my time? And that decision happens before a single word of your title is even processed. That's exactly why the biggest creators on this platform, the ones pulling millions of views, obsess over their thumbnails more than almost anything else, because they figured out something most beginners haven't. A great thumbnail can turn an average video into a viral hit, and a weak thumbnail can bury your best work forever. Let's start with tool number 1, and it's completely free: Gemini. Most people only use Gemini to answer random questions. Almost nobody uses it for thumbnail strategy. That's leaving a massive opportunity on the table, because before you design anything, you need raw ideas built around curiosity, emotion, and tension. Here's the mistake most people make. They type something generic like, "Give me a thumbnail idea." That gives you generic results. Instead, copy this exact prompt. Act as a YouTube thumbnail strategist. Give me 10 high-CTR thumbnail concepts for a video about your topic. For each one, name the emotional trigger it uses: curiosity, shock, FOMO, or excitement, and a punchy text overlay under 5 words. Run that, and within seconds, you'll have 10 genuinely strong concepts. Not just an idea, but the reasoning behind why it actually works. Now let's take those raw ideas and sharpen them. And that's exactly what ChatGPT is perfect for. Here's one of the biggest thumbnail mistakes creators make: weak, boring text. Nobody stops scrolling for words like best AI tools or how to edit videos. That's information, not emotion. Try prompting ChatGPT like this: rewrite this thumbnail text to create maximum curiosity in under 5 words. Your boring text. So best AI tools become something like, these tools feel illegal, or nobody told me this. Same topic, completely different emotional pull. One makes people scroll past, the other makes people stop, because their brain wants to close the curiosity gap. Now for the part everyone's been waiting for, actually building the thumbnail. And for this, we're using Canva's Magic Design, completely free. Here's the exact process. Open Canva and create a new YouTube thumbnail canvas. That's 1280 by 720 pixels. Click Magic Design. Paste in the idea from Gemini, plus the punchy text line from ChatGPT. Canva will instantly generate multiple thumbnail concepts for you to choose from. But here's the part most tutorials skip. Never use the first design exactly as it gives you. Always customize 3 things. First, increase the contrast so your subject pops against the background. Second, make your main subject bigger. Thumbnails get viewed on tiny phone screens, so subtlety doesn't work. Third, remove anything that isn't essential. Extra icons, busy backgrounds, anything that competes for attention. Remember, the goal isn't to make something pretty. The goal is to make someone's thumb stop scrolling. Before you create your next thumbnail, lock in these 4 rules. Rule 1, big, bold text. If someone can't read it on a phone screen in under a second, it's too small. Rule 2, strong emotion. Shock, surprise, excitement, curiosity. Pick one and commit to it. Rule 3, high contrast. Your subject should visually jump off the background, not blend into it. Rule 4, one clear focus. Don't cram 5 ideas into one image. Confusion kills clicks. Here's the pattern I want you to notice. Every high-performing thumbnail you've ever clicked on follows at least 3 of these 4 rules. The best thumbnails aren't the most complicated. They're the simplest ones that hit the hardest. Let's quickly recap the workflow. Gemini for ideas, ChatGPT for sharper, curiosity-driven text, Canva AI for the actual design. 3 free tools, 1 repeatable system, and now you have 0 excuse to keep posting weak thumbnails. If this saved you time or even gave you one good idea, hit subscribe to Digital Vision AI. Every week, I break down practical AI workflows like this one, built specifically to help creators grow faster without spending a single rupee on tools. Before you go, drop a comment and tell me what's the biggest thumbnail struggle you're dealing with right now. I read every single comment, and your answer might become the topic of my next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.